How to be a better person and be happy is most likely everybody's goal. I mean, who wouldn't want to be a better person, right? The fact is, personal development is crucial. The advantages of a well-developed personality include increased self-confidence, better decision-making, and enhanced leadership. So if you want some tips on how to be a better person and be happy, then watch this video to find out more. But before we begin to get into this video and all the little juicy details, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Benefits you, then leave a comment below saying that I subscribed. I'm trying my best to reply to as many comments as I possibly can. Share with us your insight. So you want to become a better person and be happy, then start by smiling more. Now, did you know that smiling releases happy chemicals such as serotonin and endorphins in your brain? The more you release these chemicals, the happier you become. Sounds pretty easy, right? Now, that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are a lot other ways for you to become a better person and be happy. Here are more ways for you to become more. My first tip on how to be a better person and be happy is to treat yourself the same way you would a loved one. Treating yourself the way you would treat a loved one is a great way to be a better, more balanced, and happier version of yourself. So check in on yourself every once in a while. Give yourself a pat on the back when you do something you're proud of. There's plenty of hype around self-care, but do you actually take the time to do it? Well, if you're not taking some time to do it, then it's about time you do. You'll find it's a worthwhile investment. It won't take long for you to start feeling more energized and relaxed. Likewise, you'll have more energy to devote to other people, and your relationships will benefit from your increased self-confidence. To truly appreciate the benefits of self-care, you have to make it a part of your daily routine. This may mean a bit of planning, but it's all worth it in the end. Now here's tip number 2. Take care of your body. Taking care of your body is a smart move. Not only is it the best way to live, but it also keeps you looking and feeling your best. Plus, you can have fun while you're at it. Of course, the most practical way to take care of your body is by exercising. Take a walk, bike, take a stroll in the park, enjoy nature. These are simple things to take care of your body. Take a trip to a local museum. Visit a friend or two. Regardless of the activity you choose, you'll feel better, look better, and it'll be better for you. And be better and be a better you. Now, let's move on to tip number 3. Laugh more. Laughing more can improve your overall well-being. This is because it helps you reduce stress and increase your immune system. Also, laughter boosts your self-esteem. You can increase your ability to laugh by practicing gratitude. As a matter of fact, this practice is proven to help you combat stress and depression. Studies show that people who laughed more and more often with their friends and family had fewer health problems and longer lives. Laughing increases your heart rate and relaxes your muscles. It also stimulates circulation and releases chemicals called endorphins, which make you feel good. Research shows that humor is a form of natural medicine. There's just no doubt about it. Laughter is a wonderful, natural way to take care of your heart. Now, let's move on to tip number 4, and that is to live up to your responsibilities. If you want to live up to your responsibilities, then you need to know how to do it. The best way to live up to your responsibilities is to be a good role model. When you act as a role model, you live your life according to your ideal self. You work on being more emphatic and courteous. You show more compassion to people, and you are more grateful. If you practice these virtues, you become a better person. One last thing before you leave. If you like this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below, please. Share your thoughts, and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up from SuccessTrack TV. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.